This time I will teach you guys how to use a power drill and make a small thing with it. There are two accessible types of power drills, the cordless one and the corded one. For most people, a cordless power drill is easier to handle. All you have to do is to place the battery, pull the trigger, and it runs, quick and simple. You will find when you press the trigger harder, the drill will run faster. Yes, the trigger can control the rotation speed of the drill. There is another button for the control of rotation speed. You can obviously find the differences between these two stages. There is a big black ring at the front of the drill with the printed numbers. They indicate the twist power. Small numbers indicate more twist power. When the bit resistance is stronger than the twist power we set, the drill will run idling. You will hear this noise. If we twist the ring to the infinity symbol, the drill will run all the way, no matter how strong resistance emits. Beside the trigger, we can see a stick-out bar. You can press it like this. The bar is for controlling the rotation direction of the bit, clockwise or anti-clockwise. The operation of the corded power drill is pretty the same as the cordless one, except for some points. For example, some corded drills have rotation speed control on the trigger. There is one more thing I would like to mention. It is the continuous running button. When you pull the trigger and press it down, the drill will keep running even when you release your finger from the trigger. We can set the drill bit or driver bit on the drill for different tasks. When we set the driver bit on the cordless drill, first, put the bit in the front hole of the drill, twist the forewing by hand, let the truck clamp the bit. After that, we use one hand to keep gripping the ring and use another to press the trigger gently. The drill will rotate slowly and clamp the bit securely. When we set the drill bit on the corded drill, the first 1 and 2 steps are the same as what we do on the cordless drill. The only difference is, instead of running the drill to clamp the bit, we use a special key to do the job. Now all set, we can start to do the work. Before we drive the screw in, drill a hole that's a little bit smaller than the screw. It can help the screw in without breaking the wood. Let's use the drills to assemble a small wood chair.